Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix PDF files open in Chrome instead of Adobe Reader. So click on Start, Settings. Now here click on Apps, Default, Apps. Scroll down, select Choose by Default Apps. So select Set Defaults for File Types. Here type PDF. Click here. Now select your desired program to open PDF in your system, like Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader. Select it, then click on OK. Now close and restart. So this way guys, you can fix PDF files open in Chrome instead of Adobe Reader. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.